day trip from Rome to Florence. We are super excited. And here we are in Roma Termini train station. We just came from the metro and now we are going towards the platform of Roma Termini.
Now, before we go any further, let's go a couple of steps back and see how to book your train from Rome to Florence.
From Rome to Florence, I think the easiest option is by high-speed train. You have a few options of bullet trains in Italy. One is by Trenitalia, trenitalia.com, which is the Italian state-run railway company. When you enter in the website, you will see in Italian. Here, you can choose the language, English, French, German, and Chinese. Let's choose English. It's very easy and user-friendly. You will type the departure station, Roma, tutte le stazioni, and you will see Roma Termini and Roma Tiburtina because the Freccia leaves from one of the two. So let's choose Roma Termini and let's type Firenze Santa Maria Novella because it's the main train station in Florence. And today is the 12th of May, so I suggest you book ahead because you will find more rooms and better prices also. So let's say we are booking for next month, so June 12th. I suggest you leave early, especially if it's a day trip, you might want to leave early. So let's set 8 o'clock in the morning, search, and it's gonna give you a few options. All the options of the day. So 8:10, it's a Freccia Rossa from Roma Termini. 1 hour and a half. The price starts from €23.90. If you click on it, you will see the different classes and the different prices. Standard, base, economy, super economy. These are the different packages. You choose the one that it's best for you. Once you choose it, they are gonna also give you the option of choosing your seat. The other option is Italo, which is the other company in Italy that runs bullet trains. So italotreno.it. This is already set in English, but otherwise you can choose your language here on top, Italy or English. You type your departure station, which is for Italy, it's Roma Termini or Roma Tiburtina. Let's say from Roma Termini. You type Florence. It gives you only one station, Santa Maria Novella, the main station. Let's set the same that we did for Trenitalia, June 12th. One passenger, one adult. You will search. Also here, it's gonna give you all the options of the whole day. You will see already from the start, the prices are much cheaper than Trenitalia. Let's say we choose this one around 8:30 from Roma Termini. We click and we see also here all the class: economy class, prima business class, executive, salotto, which is sort of lounge class. Also here you have flex. So depending on how flexible you want your ticket, that you can have a refund or change the date. Economy, low cost, you can, in all of them, you can get some, you can modify for a certain price. So on the low cost, you can modify with a supplement of 50% and it's not refundable. Economy, you can modify date and hour with a supplement of 20% and refund with a deduction of 40%, while if it's flex, you have a free option of modifying date and hour, and if you want to refund, you have a deduction of 20%. Your third option is Omio, which is a comparison website when it comes to transportation, omio.com. Don't worry, you will find everything in the description below, all the links and names. Florence, Rome to Florence. On Friday, let's say Friday, the same, no, Wednesday, June 12th. You search and you are gonna find all the options of both Trenitalia and Italo. So this website is great if you want to quickly compare the timetables and the prices, so you can choose which one works best for you. If you arrive in Termini, you are last minute, you want to buy a last minute ticket, then you can buy the ticket in either from a vending machine with your credit card. Here it's very easy, they have every language. Italian, English, German, French, Spanish, Chinese and Arabic. Or you can buy in the ticket office, both Italo and Trenitalia. There is also Trenitalia, as you can see, there are little kiosks with the Trenitalia last minute services and also Italo in there, Italo last minute services. Roma Termini has all types of services. There is luggage deposit, there is another bookshop, there are many restaurants, ticket offices, vending machines for tickets, clothes shops, rental cars, every type of service a traveler can need. Now that we arrived, we need to check our platform. So there are the panels, the electronic panels with the time. And we need to check if there is already our train for Florence for 1:40. And yes, I see the train, but there is no our platform yet. So we are staying here for a while and we check, or maybe we just go grab a coffee.
Let's go grab a coffee then.
Let's go grab a coffee. This pizza is lovely, and also that pizza is very nice. Also, this pizza is very nice. Alice, it's another chain, and it's an okay pizza by the slice. There is Iliad, Windthread. They are all affordable companies for. There is also Tim for the phone, the SIM card if you are interested, if you need one. Now, if you see here, there are the stairs, again escalators to go up. And up in there, you go to Roma Termini Terrace, which is packed with a restaurant, very nice restaurants. We go and we can grab a coffee there. As you see, food and lounge, Terrazza Termini. I have had many times here my lunch or meal in between trains, and it's really nice. The first thing when we arrive, it's a coffee shop, but then there are cafes, restaurants, pizza, Vagamama, sushi, sandwiches. When you arrive in Termini or any train station in Italy, you need to go check the platform of your train. So in Termini, this is the partenza, departure, and you will see in the first row, you will see in the first column the train which is the train if it's a Trenitalia, Freccia, Intercity, Regionale, or Italo. Then you will see the number of the train, you will see the destination, which is the last destination, then the time, then ritardo, delay, possible delay. If you see the first two, the one Milano Centrale is 5 minutes delay, the second 15 minutes. Then you will see the column of the information, which is like all the stops of your train, and also the different class, the different sections. For example, if a business class, executive, economy, if they are in the beginning of the train or the end of the train. And then the last column is the platform. This is where you need to look. Our train still, we don't see the platform. And you will need to make sure that you check, because, for example, our train goes to Florence, but the last destination is Turin. So we need to make sure we know the number of our train, because in the first part we are going to see Turin, not Florence. So we need to check that one. You need to check the number and the time of your train. And then in the information you will see passing, you will see also the stops. There is your stop in Florence. In this case, our stop is Florence. So you need to make sure you know the number of your train.
As soon as the number of your platform is announced or displayed on the boards inside the train station, you will have to proceed to the entrance of the platforms, because the fast trains don't wait long. So in order not to miss your train, be there within the first 5 to 10 minutes.
To show when you enter in the platforms, you just need to show your ticket. Also, if it's like the ticket online, it has a barcode, a QR code, and you just need to scan it. We were two, so they just opened the gates and they let us pass. But I showed the ticket, not the ID, no need the ID. Now this is our platform and we go take the train to Florence. Our coach is coach number 5. So in here we see the screen. It's we are at the level of coach number 7. So we need to go further and go to our coach number 5.
In the beginning of every coach, there's a place to leave your luggage. But if you can lift your suitcase up, I suggest you take it with you and store it above your seat. It's close to you, so it's handier, and there's more peace of mind, since you can keep your eyes on it.
We were in economy class, smart, with the Italo, and as you can see, there is not much leg room, to be honest, but still you will find a table where I immediately put my laptop on, and also some plugs for to recharge your laptop or computer or smartphone. There is no USB-C port, but there is a standard USB and the standard Italian electrical plug. So you can charge your, if you have an adapter, you can charge your electronic devices.
Torino Porta Nuova. We invite you to please take your seats and lower the volume of your electronic devices.
So far,
as not to
the
disturb
Wi-Fi is
other
not working,
passengers.
so let's
We
see
furthermore
if
invite
we are
any
luckier
passengers without another
when
ticket
the
from
journey
the
starts.
train manager
Which has
in order to
started.
continue their journey. We would
We
like
are
to
leaving
remind
Roma
you that
Termini
smoking
and
is
we are
not
heading to
permitted.
Florence for a day trip
The smoking ban
from
applies also
Florence.
to electronic.
To activate the free Wi-Fi in Italo trains, you need to open their website, and this website here, connect to web, will show up, and you need to insert your email, your phone number, and then accept. They will send you the code, either the email or the phone number, and you follow the instructions and enter and access to the Wi-Fi. After about an hour and a half of a nice and smooth train ride, we arrived in Florence Santa Maria Novella train station, which is the main train station in Florence and the only one Italo stops at. The station of Santa Maria Novella in Florence is very much in the city center, so if you're on a day trip and ready for sightseeing, you can just walk. Very, very close, you will find both Mercato Centrale, which probably I would suggest to go for lunch, and also Santa Maria Novella Basilica, which is a very important landmark that I definitely suggest you visit. From Santa Maria Novella Basilica, also other landmarks are very close, such as the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, which is the Duomo, the main cathedral in Florence. If you're staying only one day in Florence and you need to place your luggage somewhere, in the station of Santa Maria Novella, there is a luggage deposit, and you will find it's a key point, and you can find it inside the station along the platform 16. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tips from Rome and about Rome.